Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday assured that the government will provide whatever help possible to the families of the fire incident at Mawbah, which killed 2 children. Terming the incident as tragic, the Chief Minister said that it was a big loss to the family as 2 children had died. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday said the government is yet to receive any kind of confirmation on an alleged mine tragedy killing 3 persons in East Jaintia Hills District. East Jaintia Hills District Police Chief Jakpal Singh Dhanoa said that 3 deaths have been confirmed in 2 villages, Musniang Rim and Musniang, but the cause of death is still being ascertained. He also informed that further investigation is on to record statements of family and relatives.
My side, I'll be definitely looking into the entire thing, and as per the procedure, and as per the norms that are there, we will definitely be providing whatever is possible to the families. We have not received any kind of confirmation or any confirmed information on this aspect. So we have heard this from some areas, but there's no confirmed report yet.
Union Minister of State for Skill Development